Severe thunderstorms raced across the central U.S. last night, producing deadly tornadoes and some extremely large hail. Take a look at these pictures of a hailstone that fell in Sanger, Texas.
My goodness, by unofficial measurement, looks to be nearly 5 inches. 5 inches, yeah.
That's bigger than a softball.
I mean, look at that thing. I mean, imagine that come crashing down. The damage it can do, and of course, how harmful it could be if it hit you. Just amazing. And we've seen a number of these 5-inch hail reports this week.
Yeah.
One on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on Thursday. That's a long string of days to deal with that size hail in a row. Amazing, amazing, the intensity of some of these storms.
Well, that came out of northern Texas. Let's take you into northeastern U.S. here in Pennsylvania, where we have severe weather here at risk right now. A couple of warnings, including tornado warnings that we are tracking for you coming into southeastern Pennsylvania, right near the Philadelphia area.
Yeah, we got this broad zone here, kind of a line that's developed, that's pushing its way through the area, and kind of two separate areas where we do have a couple of tornado warnings. This is the newest issued one for parts of Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery counties. That's until noon, until 12 o'clock. So if you're in some of those spots, including West Goshen, Marple, you want to make sure you're getting into your safe zone, lowest floor of a sturdy structure, and getting away from the windows. We're talking getting into a closet, a bathroom, all great places to be, because we do have a Doppler radar indicated tornado that is moving right now through southeastern Pennsylvania.
And it's moving east of northeast here at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Radnor, Tredyffrin, Upper Marion, all under this here. We're tracking it for you out. And to Radnor, it is 12 o'clock Eastern time, 12:07 Marion. White Marsh would be 12:13. Again, taking it outside of the warned area, just to let you know where it's tracking beyond that. We're watching this tornado warning within a severe thunderstorm warning that also extends down to Upper Darby and Chester, and that's where we do have severe winds if possible.
Let's keep a track on that other warning that's still in place here for us in Chester County here until 11:45, so we're dealing with that for about another 5 minutes or so. The storm has continued to work its way from now east of Honeybrook, working over towards just north of, I should say, West Vincent. Doppler radar indicated rotation again with this particular storm moving its way east, so eventually we'll see this thing move out of that area, but it's, as Jen mentioned, all a part of this whole zone, where within that whole zone, damaging wind gusts are a big threat. And then within that, we get these spin-ups that are taking place. So it's a huge area that we have a concern when it comes to the severe winds.
So if you're under the severe thunderstorm warning and not under the tornado warning, you'll see this tag. This is tornado possible. So we want to make sure that you're alert for that. You might need to seek shelter here quickly if this does change for you, if you're not under the tornado warning yet. It's for this line that's tracking generally east. We're tracking it to Wilmington, 11:47 in Delaware. We've got Norristown, Pennsylvania at noon. Philadelphia, tracking it to you outside of the warned area, but if it gets to downtown Philly, we are looking at 12:09, and then Cherry Hill at 12:22 if it holds together beyond that.
Yeah, huge area watching these storms, no doubt about it there. Meanwhile,